What kind of PV panel can Kun work on? Hello! In this video, I will tell you what kind of PV panel can Kun work on. Because Kun is not suitable for all the solar panels, Kun navigates by the bus bar on the panel, so if there is no bus bar on the panel, then Kun cannot clean it autonomously. Basically, there are three types of modules which can be cleaned autonomously by Kun. First is the 4 pieces module. As you can see, it has multiple square cells. Each cell has a certain number of bus bars. Second is the half pieces modules. In this module, a square cell is divided into 2 cells, and each cell has a certain number of bus bars. Though these two pictures, you can see the difference between these two types of modules. Next one is 3-cut modules, which means square cells is divided into 3 parts. Except for these kind of modules, you can also use crane to clean, but you need to use the remote control mode. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to put crane in the initial position. Because all crane models operate in the same way, except for different initial positioning. First, let's talk about the positioning of our 3 series and the 2 series model. The 3 series include E32L, E32H, and E33H. While the 2 series include E22L and E22H, let's start with the 3 series. We need to place the robot on the PV module and put it in the designated position. Please refer to these 2 pictures. The first picture shows crane placed on a horizontal positioned module, and second picture shows crane placed on a vertical positioned module. As you can see, whether crane is placed on a horizontally or vertically positioned module, the positioning method is the same. Crane's horizontal axis lies with the bus bar 9 of the second row of cells, and the vertical axis lies with the bus bar 9 of the third column of cells in the bottom column. Next, let's take a look at the positioning of the 2 series. As you can see, positioning method for the 2 series and the 3 series crane models is basically the same. In fact, the horizontal axis of both 3 series and 2 series is aligned with the bus bar 9 of the second row of cells in the bottom corner. However, vertical axis of the 2 series need to be aligned with the bus bar 9 of the second column of cells in the bottom corner, while the vertical axis of 3 series need to be aligned with the bus bar 9 of the third column of cells in the bottom corner. This positioning allows the rolling brush to effectively cover the surface of the module. And last, let's take a look at how to position the 1 series. The positioning of our 1 series is very simple. Its horizontal axis aligns with the bus bar 9 of the first row of cells in the bottom corner, and the vertical axis aligns with the bus bar 9 of the first column of the cells in the bottom corner. Whether it's horizontal or vertical, it's so easy. That's all for this video. Thank you for your attention. How to set the parameter of PV panels. To start the crane, we need to set the parameter of PV panels which to be cleaned in the app. There are 3 parameters of PV panel we need to set in the app. First is the quantity of bus bar 9. We use 3 characters to describe it. The first character is a number or letter, and the following 2 are BB, which means bus bar. For example, if there are 3 bus bars on a PV panel, we call it 3BB. And if there are 5 bus bars, we call it 5 BB. If there is no bus bars, we call it 0 BB. If square cells has a lot of bus bars, say 100 bus bars, we don't call it 100 BB. In fact, most PV panels have no more than 6 bus bars. So, anything more than that is called MBB. Second is the size of the cell. The size mentioned here does not refer to the overall size of the module, but refers to the size of single square cell inside the module. We can measure the size of a cell with a ruler, or we can calculate it from the specification of the module. For example, if we know the length and width of the module, as well as the number of square cells, we can calculate the size of single square cell. For example, if the length of a battery cell is 1134 mm and there are 6 square battery cells, and the length of each individual cell can be obtained by subtracting the combined width of the wide edges on the both sides from the total length. 1134 minus 40 equal to 1094. Then dividing 1094 by 6, which gives 182 mm is the length of each side of single square battery cell. This is a very simple mathematical problem. Next is the quantity of the cells. We just use the multiplication to get it. For example, if there are 6 square battery cells in the horizontal direction and 10 in the vertical direction, you are given PV panel, then multiplying 6 by 10 gives a total of 60 battery cells. That's all for this video. Now you know how to set the parameter in the app. Thank you for your watching. See you next video.